slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Alright, we're gonna be spreading some crushed asphalt and grading out a parking lot. Another fun day in Michigan. Check it in. It's about 26 degrees right now. Not much snow. It's been warm the last week and a half. Everything's been melting, so time to do some work. Let's go. Don't forget, check out the merch store. Get the nice hats. These things are sick, comfortable. Good to go. So this parking lot. Got some crushed asphalt. Gotta do some grading yet. Yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, so when I'm spreading the asphalt, what I like to do is I kind of like to cover the entire area. I kind of just take and make piles everywhere, kind of just spread it as evenly as I can. Once I think I got a couple inches on there, what I like to do is kind of do it like a bulldozer. So I like to spread it over the entire area, and then I'll go through with my bucket and I'll push all the piles to make sure everything's level, kind of grade it, and then I backblade it, and then I'll just keep going over it back and forth just to make sure everything's to the right grade that I want it and spread out evenly. This way seems to work pretty good. Like I said, I kind of do it like the bulldozer method. The material we're using, it's a 1-inch minus crushed asphalt. And so what they do here is they take all the big chunks like off the roads and parking lots and stuff, and they run it through a crusher, and then it goes in through a screener, and that separates all the sizes. So everything 1-inch minus goes through the screen and out into the pile, and that's what we use. Seems to be like the best sizing of material. When you get too big of chunks in your asphalt, what happens is it's really hard to grade, and it gets a bunch of lumps and stuff in there, and it doesn't all pack together tightly like you need it. What I've also seen work really good, I've used a bunch of times, is the grader attachment for the skid steers. They work really good, especially like the Bobcat one where it's got the 6-way steering, to where you can, like if you're doing like a slope and stuff, you can slant the blade and get it all sloped evenly, and it spreads real nice. So on this job, we just trucked everything in ourselves. It was only like 7-minute haul, so it just made sense to save on money, and we just trucked it in ourselves with a dump trailer. We hauled 325 tons, like I said earlier in the video. And yeah, it was a lot of trips, but we were able to save quite a bit because they charged quite a bit for trucking, and it just was cost efficient for us to haul it in, and I was doing it by myself, so it just made sense. Good winter work. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. Michigan Winters Live. Alright, don't forget, hit the merch store, check out the hats, boys. But we're out here, we cleared all this lot. It used to be all trees and dirt and everything else. We put down a bunch of crushed asphalt, about 325 tons we put down here. They're gonna be parking semi-trailers. We just gotta spread a little bit more, and we're gonna grade it out. Let's get to work. So right here, we're just putting the final touches on the parking lot, the back half. we're just spreading it, like I said, 2 to 3 inches thick on this one. Customer had a set budget, and what it took to do this entire parking lot, that's what we figured out was about 2 to 3 inches thick for the amount they wanted to spend, and that's what we were able to do. Typically, like parking semi-trailers and like this, I would like to see like 5 to 6 inches. It's already got a pretty good gravelly, sandy base, so the base is pretty decent. But typically what I like to see is a good 5 to 6 inches minimum for parking semi-trailers in a big parking lot like this. But it wasn't in the budget, and we installed the best we could. So you can kind of see right here, this is like the sub base we're using. It's really sandy, rocky material. We're just adding into the back corner of the parking lot. There was a huge dip, so we're using all this for fill and getting it leveled up. But we appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching the videos. Don't forget, check out the merch store, join our membership group, and keep on digging.